trying to see if a variable is included in a list in Django. I am trying to find if a selected country is in a list of tuples by using the following command in my view. If I print second_tier.profile.country, I have CA, and when I print countries I get So the if statement is supposed to return true, however it comes back as false.
You're currently searching for a string in a tuple of tuples. You need to make sure countries is all strings to make this work. You can use some simple list comprehensions to transform your nested tuples. Using tuple unpacking. Using indexing, which takes the first element country from each of the tuples and puts them in a list. Then you can do, and it will return true. Alternatively, you could just loop over countries and match second_tier.profile.country explicitly. You could also use any here, which returns true as any match was found. Note, since you're just doing a simple lookup, you could convert the countries to a set, which will allow a O1 lookup instead of a ON lookup. I also used underscore above to discard values that are not needed, such as the second item for each tuple.
You have a tuple of tuples, then you need to iterate in countries.